write in your books that your movement by Lord Chaitanya is as if it's the most exclusive thing. He said, but actually in India, the Ramanuja is a more prominent Vaishnava sect. So, as I understand, our claim is based on the fact that we worship Krishna in a higher form. Krishna Loka, and they worship Krishna, which leads to Vaikuntha.
Yes. Quarter, there is no cinema, no song. Bhajare Gopalam.
Srinivas said it was controlled by the temples here. Even the government doesn't control.
It is all temple.
They will show with the ornaments at the evening.
We came day for yesterday. We went to the temple 3 times. Had darshan of the Lord. This is my wife and daughter.
Yes.
You came yesterday?
Yes, I came yesterday at about 11.
We saw you in the evening going to the temple.
Yes. A very nice place.
Very nice, beautiful place.
Mm.
Very inspiring.
Yes.
Where from are you coming?
I am, of course, Indian, but I have got my headquarters in America.
America.
Yes.
I think I have seen you at Bombay once.
Yes, Bombay.
And
I have got my
our
headquarters.
friends were there at the airport, Santa Cruz airport, and you came by plane
Yes.
some 2 years back, I remember.
No, I am going every year,
I say,
2 times, 3 times I have
see.
to go
uh,
all round the world.
I respectfully request you,
Uh,
your name please.
Bhaktivedanta Swami, Prabhupada. They call me Prabhupada. I am preaching this cult,
I see.
what you have come to see,
Uh,
this being expanded all over the world.
yes, yes. Very good.
And we have got about 100 temples.
At America?
No, all over the world.
All over. And
In America, I have got 40 temples.
40 temples. I see.
Yes. In England, we have got about 5.
I see.
And France, German, we have got 4.
In Germany also?
Oh yes, Germany, Sweden, Rome,
They are
Australia.
Also, they are very devoted
eh?
to our creed, our religion.
Yes, we are preaching Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sai. That is the only religion.
Yes, yes.
Oh, everything is not religion. That is cheating.
Yes.
Only religion is to surrender to the
God,
Lord.
yes.
That is
That is
Savai
our,
Pungsang Paro
our
Dharma.
also. I am a Vaishnava, it is.
Yes, Savai Pungsang
Sarvadharman
Paro Dharma.
Parithyajya Mamekam
Son, that is religion. That is
Shri
religion.
Shyam Mas.
Mukha Shyama.
Om Namo Narayana, Sriman Narayana, Sharanam Sharanam Prabhati, Srimati Narayana Namaha. This is our
Yes,
mantra.
You are Vaishnava.
Yes, Vaishnava.
Yes, Vaishnava, that is real form of religion. Other than not religion. It has been rejected in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Dharma projita koitava atra. Atra, koitava religion is rejected. Koitava means cheating. That is,
We have to surrender ourselves to God. That's it. That's our,
that is religion.
yes.
Dharma to Shakrat Bhagavat Pranit. Religion means the codes and the laws given by the Lord. That is religion. So if one does not surrender to the Lord, then what kind of religion it is? It is not.
Yes, yes.
Just like good citizen means who abides by the law of the state.
Yes.
If he does not care for the law, then what kind of good citizen he is?
Yes.
Similarly, if one does not surrender to the Supreme, then his religion has no meaning.
Yes, no
It is
meaning.
simply cheating.
Yes. Yes.
That's all. What is your name?
Rajagopal Iyengar. I am
Brahman.
Brahmin. Vaishnavite.
Yes, Iyengars are all.
Iyengar. We belong to South India.
Yesterday I saw you in the temple.
Yes.
I am my daughter.
How many children you have got?
I got 3 sons and 4 daughters.
All daughters, sons.
3 sons, 3 daughters are married. This daughter is to be married. She's a doctorate.
Huh?
She has
Doctorate,
done her
MSc,
MSc, PhD in nuclear physics. She went to England for 1 year.
Where did you stay in England?
And
Liverpool.
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 I think we have got our branch.
Yes, Manchester. I've seen Manchester.
Manchester, I've seen.
Yes.
Ah. Manchester, Liverpool, London. London, we have got 2.
London. In London, I got my son. My
Oh.
son is there.
What is doing?
He is employed there.
He's an accountant.
He's an accountant,
Oh.
cost accountant.
So your children
I
are
have got another
also
boy in West Germany.
West Germany,
West Germany. My last son.
Berlin,
No, he's in Frankfurt.
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 Oh, yes. Frankfurt is a big city.
Yes, yes. Very big.
Sons are all married.
The last son is not married. 2 sons are married. 3 daughters are. This daughter is to be married. We are trying, not able to get a suitable groom. See, with your blessings, I hope we will succeed.
Nowadays it is very difficult job to get married.
Suitable.
Eh?
Suitable,
Well, suitable cannot be.
suitable is
There is no suitable.
difficult to find.
Yes. Formally, as the girl is grown up, any boy.
No, we used to marry at the age of 10, 11.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
in those days.
Yeah.
I mean, 50 years back.
I was also married. My wife was 11 years old.
My wife was 11 when she was married. I was only 16 when I was married. Only difference of 4 or 5 years.
Yes. And before that, I had my father-in-law. He was 11 years old.
I see.
And my mother-in-law was 7 years old.
I see. Very good.
My eldest sister was born at 9 years old.
I see.
And I was born after her marriage.
I see. Oh, I see. Those old days. I see.
All right, thank you.